Imagine a world where your business runs 24/7 with perfect efficiency, never making a mistake and constantly improving itself. It sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you this world is not just possible, but it's already here? Hey there, pioneers. This is Imtiaz, and if you don't know me, I help you build, deploy, and sell AI agents. We don't build chatbots. We train our agents on your process and your data. And if you haven't, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a video such as this. And I'll understand by doing so, you're supporting our channel and helping us provide quality AI education for everyone so that they can cut through the noise. Today, we're going to dive into the world of AI agents. Now, before you panic about robots taking your job and all this kind of nonsense, what if I told you that instead of replacing jobs, AI could actually create more opportunities than you've ever imagined? What if you could clone your top performer and scaling their expertise across your entire organization? And what if I told you that the business who embrace this technology today will be light years ahead of the competition in just a few short years? And in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal how AI agents are not just transforming businesses, they're creating entirely new paradigms of success. Whether you're a startup founder, a Fortune 500 executive, or an AI entrepreneur, this video is your roadmap to the future. Now, by the end of this video, you're going to understand why AI agents are the secret weapon your business needs, how to leverage AI to amplify human expertise, not replace it, the shocking truth about job security in the age of AI, and most importantly, how you can position yourself at the forefront of this revolution. All right, so let's get started. First of all, let's define what are agents. Well, in the human world, agents are highly skilled professionals who represent and act on behalf of others. Think of talent agents. Then you can think of real estate agents or even secret agents like James Bond, 007, right? Experts in the field, okay? Using their knowledge and networks to get things done. Not everybody is an agent, right? And that's entirely just the nature of the world. You can't expect every real estate agent to be an actual agent, like an expert in a specific field. Sure, they start off somewhere, but in order to get to that expert level, they need years of training. And that's important that you understand this. They need years of training. So you need to start somewhere, and then you need to go and develop that expertise. Now, AI agents are similar in that concept. They're designed to perform tasks or make decisions autonomously. All right. So they have a brain, which basically is driven by the LM models, but then they also have extra specialized information with RAG. Okay. RAG is retrieval augmented generation. So perhaps you could think about your business. It has specialized knowledge, data sets, API connections, or insights, etc. These are all RAG that can be applied to general intelligence or the LM models, the base models like the GPT or maybe Anthropic's Claude, all that kind of stuff, which is trained on the base internet, right? But in order to give your business or yourself an advantage over everyone else, you need that specialized knowledge, or what I call the sauce. You need that sauce. Now, let's get this straight. AI agents are like softwares trained by the best of the best. Think about Russell Brunson, okay? He made this software called ClickFunnels, which is based on his experience in the marketing world, right? He didn't create ClickFunnels, somebody else created ClickFunnels, but they work closely with Russell Brunson to get his ideas and his insights and turn it into a product. So ClickFunnels essentially is Russell Brunson's AI agent, and Russell Brunson is the agent. Let that marinate for a little bit. It's a tool that allows everyone to tap into his expertise. If you were to go build funnels on your own, it will be hard. But because you have a platform like ClickFunnels, it makes things easy because a lot of things are already pre-built into that environment to get something done, in this case, to make sales. That's why we all need assistants in the human world as well as in the AI world. We can't expect the assistants to be exceptional right out of the box, but what the assistant can do, it will allow us to automate a lot of our manual processes. Okay, when you think about the assistant, hey, get me coffee. All right. All the boring, mundane stuffs can be automated. And that's what the assistant is good for, right? But the assistant needs years of training right after this to start understanding you. And you can't expect your assistant to handle the business, right? Because that's where you are specialized. And I want you to really understand this concept. This is where fine tuning and specialization comes into play. By tailoring AI agents to specific tasks and feeding them expert knowledge, we're not replacing humans. We're amplifying their expertise. And when these agents get feedback from the best in the business, that's when the magic really happens. Okay. And of course, machine learning is a big component to this. And don't worry, we teach you all that in the accelerator. So I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can understand how you can follow a pragmatic approach, a step-by-step process, easy to follow, so you can unleash the full potential of your AI agents. You go to assistants, and then you eventually need to create your agent, okay? And it needs a lot of training. It needs a lot of fine tuning. Now, imagine yourself talking to ChatGPT. How was your experience in the first day, in day one? How is it now? Do you feel like they know you a little bit more? Do you feel like you have to talk less to get more things done? That's the beauty of machine learning. And it's actually pretty easy if you understand it. But the problem is most people don't want to learn it. And they end up buying or selling a chatbot, okay? Which doesn't help anyone. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Will AI take our jobs? It's a valid concern, but here's the truth. It's quite the opposite. AI will help us prioritize and focus on what really matters in the business. Now, we don't know exactly what the job market will look like, but as humans, we're always resilient. We're always, adapting. So it's going to be different, but isn't that exciting? Imagine you're a business owner. You spend years training your employee, and then that employee says, hey, I found another opportunity. They're paying me more or whatever. All that knowledge walks out the door with them. But with AI agents, you're essentially building it once, an exceptional employee that you have trained on your business, on your data, on your process, and you get to keep it forever. These agents will now work on your business rather than in it. Of course, they need to start with understanding all the processes, all the tasks that needs to perform, etc. And then it needs that human AI collaboration, which nobody talks about. And that's why I always encourage you to look around you. Who's specialized? Who's doing the things better in their field, or who is exceptional in the field? Even you're a business looking at this, watching this video, and you're thinking about that exceptional employee in your business that's driving all the innovation. And this is a perfect opportunity. Now you can turn that knowledge into an AI agent that can work on your business as well. So if you're ready to drop the silly chatbots and start actually getting ahead with AI agents, book a call with us, and we'll help you navigate this market even better. What does this mean for regular people like me and you? And it's also exciting because we're about to unleash our creativity like never before. AI handles the mundane tasks like dishwashing and chores, and we'll be free to focus on creativity and insights. AI will be the worker, and humans will be the creator. Now, I want you to engage with this idea. What would you like to create and bring to the world? If you had an AI agent handling all the grunt work, what kind of agent would you be excited to build? Leave your thoughts in the comments, and we'd love to hear from you. Remember, we're not here to replace human expertise. We're augmenting it. We're creating tools that allow us to spread knowledge and skills further than ever before. So in doing so, we're opening up new possibilities for human creativity and innovation. So are you ready to embrace the AI revolution? Are you excited to build your own ClickFunnels, your own digital expert that never sleeps? The future isn't about AI versus humans. The future is AI and humans. It's about working together and achieving the extraordinary. Now, if you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a new video. So are you ready to flip the script on everything you thought you knew about AI. Don't forget to look at the resources in the description. And don't forget to watch our previous videos where we talk about how AI agent frameworks are going to fail. And then we also talk about the difference between machine learning 1.0 and machine learning 2.0, which will help you take your ordinary employee to an exceptional employee. And that's what we call an AI agent. This is Imtiaz, your thought partner to build, deploy, and sell reliable AI engineered system. So if you're ready, drop the silly chatbots and unleash the full potential of your AI agent.